Hi everyone, this is Zur. Welcome to the new video. It's been some time that I didn't put a video. I was in China about a month ago. Right now came back to Turkey. I'm at my father's house. Hope you like my new spot. My father's bookshelf on my back. You can see his books. Anyways, today's topic is not about the books or the bookshelf or the coronavirus, any of that. It's one of the most important things that you trying to set the payment processors as a non-resident. I'll be telling you about the best practices and the best recommendations I think you should take in the year of 2020. Alright, very quickly, let me tell about what's my relation with Stripe and how I kind of, get to talk here and tell you about like what you should do or what you should not do. So since late 2017, we've been helping non-residents with their US entities. We help with their bank accounts, the company. We right now even setting their payment processes. We have our guys who's been doing that. And in this last year, we had like more than 100 guys that they've been kind of coming to us for the US bank account. And one of the reasons that they need the bank account is the setting the payment processors. And while they were doing this, we were all the time involved with the way that they do it and the things that the further things that the payment processors were asking them, documents such as the address proof, like things like that, things of this nature. So we kind of been in this for some time and we have the experience. We've been doing it, and don't worry, this is not going to be a pitch video about come get our service or anything. I will really reveal how my guys are doing it and what are their best practices to set the payment processors, and I will tell the main key. Besides that, I will tell what's right and what's I will tell what they're doing, and if you take this practice for yourself, I know you can actually also set the payment processor you need for yourself and for your business. Alright, the first thing, I think you should know this already. If you don't know it, I'm telling right now. On their website, they state that they're not working with dropshippers. So if they say this on their website, and if you're a dropshipper, at least be smart about it, alright? I don't have to say what you should do, but kind of if you ever get to talk with them, they ask further documents from you or kind of further information, be smart about it, okay? That's the first thing I gotta say, very obvious. On their website, it's stated that they don't work with dropshippers. The other thing is the bank account. I think this is also stated on their website that you have to have an actual physical account that is, specifically linked to your US company if you want the US Stripe. Many of you has been able to do it with a Payoneer. I'm not saying that this is not possible. Absolutely. And if you don't have a budget, go for it. But if you're kind of thinking long term, they do know and they do kind of differentiate the account that you link is not a physical actual US bank account. US bank account might be costly for you, that you have to figure out by yourself. But even if you're going with a Payoneer, pay attention to the thing that I will say, and that's the key. And you will thank me later, because I know that will work if you do it with the thing I will say right now. So I thought many has been already doing this. I figured that people are skipping on this. It's something simple, but it is something that you have to do for everything that is related to your US business. Let's say that you have an Amazon store, you have an eBay. For all of those accounts, the payment processors, even the emails that you use, even the kind of Facebook ads that you run, the business page you have, and everything that you use related to your US business has to be on the US VPS. All right, guys, you have to have a virtual service, and the business has to be operated from the US. In their algorithm and Stripe, we figured it's super easy. I thought everybody was again, I'm saying doing it, but many are not using VPS. And when you set your Stripe in India, let's say, you know what's gonna happen? They will know that you're in India and you're a US business. You know what you have to do? You have to have an active people, running this business in the US if you're a non-resident. We're not, fooling Stripe here by kind of showing them we're in the US. Since they know that you're not American, you give them your passport. But if you're a non-US business owner, you definitely have to have the VPS. And one interesting, very small thing that I want to tell from my experience, by the time I stayed in the US, I partnered up with this guy. He's an IT guy. He works for a very big company, hundreds of employees, and he is the head guy of the IT, and he's responsible for the Amazon sales. And he was the guy that I was kind of working Amazon with in 2016. So guys, even them, they use the US VPS. They're in the country, but they run everything that they have related to the business from the servers. Maybe it's because they're a couple guys or anything, but they don't want to mix the servers up, so they always use the VPS. And If they're using it while they're in the country, what's your reason not to use it? So get your VPS, even if you're trying to set it with the Payoneer. You know, try to do it with the VPS, US VPS. You will thank me later. It's been working, and it's kind of gonna, you know, pass from their algorithm as if like that you're actually in the country. So VPS is the key. So where to get your VPS? We have also VPS at myuslc.com, or you can source it from any source, but VPS really will help you. And besides VPS, we have an actual Stripe package that we put everything together for you. If you have the budget, or if you've been kind of like doing it with Payoneer and you're serious with your business, you want to invest in your business a little more, we have a package, combined package, that everything you need to do the, like, we even set the Stripe account for you. It's called Stripe package. In the package, we put the US company with your EIN number. We give you the bank account with online banking. We ship your debit card to your address in 2 to 4 days with express shipping. Besides, we set your Stripe account on behalf of you. We open it and give it to you. And we give you the VPS, annual VPS. Besides the VPS, the last thing is the bonus. If you stick with me in this video until this time, it's also very important to have a, you know, healthy Stripe. One thing that people scares the most is when the SSN is asked. Like, what I'm going to give them. I don't have an SSN. Guys, the ITIN, also in the package that I've been counting, ITN is also very important. Way in the beginning when you're setting, they don't ask it, but after that, after some time, they may ask for the ITN. If you're interested to our package, you can send us an email, or you can check our services at myuslc.com. Whatever you want to talk, write a comment. I will answer by myself. And when you set your Stripe with the kind of knowledge that I gave in the video, please write a comment, you know, that tell me that you got paid, and hopefully you remember me that like when you actually set your Stripe and scale your e-commerce business or whatever you've been doing, whatever you need the Stripe for. And I will see you in my another video, guys. See you.